Okay, right now we go to the quotient rule. Okay, so for the example, you will see that at the first step, I will consider the denominator first, because when we differentiate, we have the square on the lower part of the function. After that, we will differentiate the upper one, keep the second one, and then keep the first one, d the second one. And the next step, we just differentiate it carefully. And then after that, we simplify the expression by expanding the upper part. For the lower part, we have no need to expand, just keep. Okay. So right now we check that for the upper part and the lower part, they don't have common factor. So this is the completed part of part A. So let's go to part B. So part B, again, it is very obvious that we will use a quotient rule to do so. Okay, so let me copy the question first. And then we differentiate it. Step 1, write down the lower part with square. And then this time we simplify the step. That means we skip the first one. We start from the second step. Okay. So d the first one, keep the second one. Okay, d the first one, keep the second one. And then minus, remember it must be minus. The first one and d the second one. So this time you see that I've simplified the step, so it is actually a little bit easier to do the calculation. Okay. And after that, we simplify it carefully. And again, there is no common factor for the upper part and lower part, and then that's the end. So let's have a short summary on it. So first, the order is important. We must put the upper part to be differentiated first, and then the lower part to be second one. That's because the minus sign always refers to the function of the denominator. So after we have done the calculation, remember to check if there are any common factor so that we can simplify the fraction if required. So that's the end of this part of the product rule and quotient rule. So please complete the short differentiation exercise which is available in the Google Classroom. So there are only 3 questions. So choose the method that you think which is appropriate in each of the questions. We will discuss it in the next lesson. That's the end of Mrs. L's Math World. See you next time.